Hello everyone, welcome to my class. I am here with my new topic, that is place value. Okay, and this is my first part of this topic, that is place value. Okay, so I have taken some questions here. For my first topic is fill in the blanks, and the second one is also fill in the blanks. So before solving these questions, I'm going to explain some examples. Okay, then we will do this. Okay. Now as you can see, I have written some number, and as you can see in previous page, I'm here. Like, what we are supposed to do for my first question is the place value of 4 in the given number. Okay, so I have taken some numbers, so let's practice this first and then we will do this exercise. Okay, now see, my first number is 25, so find the place value. Okay, find the place value. Okay, find the place value of the two of the underlined numbers. See, I'm underlining this one, then this, then this, then this, and then again this one, and then this one. Okay, to find out the place value of the underlined digit, first we have to write the place value. So this is, as you know, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, and this is 1000. Okay, this is ones, tens, 100, and then 1000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, and then 10,000. Clear? Now again, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Before finding out the place value of any number, okay, first write down its place value. Okay, so ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100, and then this is 1000. Okay, now let's start doing this one. So now we are supposed to find out the place value of this 2. Okay, and you can see the place value of this 2 is, I have already written, that is 1000. So you can write 2000, or you can write 2000 in words as well. OUSAND, 1000. Clear? Now the next one is this 5. So now what is the place value of 5? As you can see, this is 5 tens. So 5 tens means 50. Tens stands for 0. Okay, so just give 0 after this 5. So 55 tens is equals to 50. And now you can write like this one also, 50, FIFTY. Now we are supposed to find the place value of this one, 6. So 6,000. Just write like this, 6,000. And 6,000 over here, THOUSAND. Clear? Now the next one is 7. So what is the place value of 7? 7 ones. So 7 ones means 7, and you can write here 7, SEBEN. Now 3,000. So 3,000, and write here 3,000. Clear? Now next one is 9 tens. So 90. We have already discussed 9 tens is equals to 90, and you can write here 90. Okay, so I hope this topic is clear to you. Now sometimes you will get the sum, to find out the sum and difference of the place value and the face value. Let me discuss the face value as well. See, if you are supposed to write the face value, okay, I am discussing it here. So see, what we have discussed here, we have already discussed the place value. Now if you will get the find out the face value of the numbers. Okay, so now as we know that the face value of the number is that number itself. Okay, now see, what is the face value? I am writing here face value. So now what is the face value? So I'm just finding out the face value of the same digits which I have underlined previously. Now see, this is 2. Okay, so now what is the face value of 2? Just to give it 2. Okay, the number itself. Now this is 5, so face value of this number is 5 itself. Now this is 6, and now the next was 6. I have written this one. Now then 7, and then 3, and now 9. Clear? Okay, now face value is the same. That number itself is called the face value. Now sometime you will get you will get the question like this: find the sum of place and face value of, like you will get of 5 in number this 2 5 6 5. Clear? You will get question like this, means find the sum. First you have to understand what is the sum. Sum is the result of addition. Okay, if you will add 2 and 3, you are getting your answer, that is 5, and this answer is called sum. Okay, now sum is the result of addition. So now what we are supposed to do, find the sum of place and face value of 5 in number this one. As you can see, I'm changing this here, not to make you confused. See, so this is 2 5 6 6. Okay, so first sum of the place value. Now what is the place value of this 5? Ones, tens, 100, and this one is 1000. So place value of this 5 is 500, and now the face value of this 5 is the number itself. Okay, and now add this one. So this is 5 0 and then 505. Okay, so this is our answer. This is the addition. This is the sum of the place value and the face value of the digit 5. Clear? Sometime you will get difference. Sometime you will get, I am writing it here. Sometime you will get find the difference. And you know, difference means subtraction. Clear? Difference means subtraction. Subtraction means, and subtraction like answer of your subtraction, what you have subtracted, and if you are getting that answer, means that is your subtraction. Difference. Okay, now see, so I am doing this difference in the same number. So place value, you will get like find the difference of the place and face value of 5 in this one. So first place value is 500 and face value is number itself, and we need to find out its difference. So subtract this. So as you know, you must know the subtraction. 0 first take carry, and this 0 will take carry from this 5. It will become 4. Now it is 10. Now this 0 will take 1 carry from this number. It will become 9, and this is 10. Now we can easily subtract this. So 10 minus 5 is 5. This is 9, and this is 4. So our answer is 495. Clear? I hope this concept is clear to you. So now let's go back to our exercise. Okay, now see, same concept, same questions based on that concept which I have recently discussed is given here. So now let's discuss this. The place value of 4 in 2413 is, okay, so place value. So I'm writing it here, ones, tens, 100, and then 1000. So place value of 4 is 400. Now the face value of 4 in 2413. Face value is the number itself. Clear? Now the next one is the sum of place value and face value of 4 in the number this one. So first ones, tens, 100, and then 1000. Okay, now see, what is the place value of 4 is 400, and now face value of 4 is 4, and now we are supposed to find out its sum, and sum is addition. So 0 plus 4, 4, 0, and then 4. So our answer is 404. Clear? Okay, now the next one is the difference of place value and face value of 4 in number this one. So do it as we have done previously. So write its place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000. So place value is 400 and its face value is 4, right? And now subtract this. So how you will subtract? First this 0 will take carry from the 4 and 4 will become 3. Now this 10, from this 10 this 0 will take carry, so it will become 9 and this one will become 10. Clear? So 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 is 9 and 3 is 3. So our answer is 396. Clear? I hope this is clear to you. Now come to the next question, that is the place value of 7 in 27824 is. So first write down its place value, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and then 10,000, right? So what is the place value of this 7? As you can see 1000, so write down 7000. Clear? Now the face value of 7 in the number this one. So face value is the number itself, that is 7. Now the next one is the sum of place value and face value of 7 in this one. Now sum of place value and face value. So find out its place value first. So ones, tens, 100, 1000 and then 10,000. So the place value is 7000 and face value is the number itself, and just add this 7, 0, 0 then 7. So 7007. Clear? Okay. Now the next one is the difference of place value and face value of 7 into 7824. So first ones, tens, 100, 1000 and then 10,000. Okay. Now see the place value is 7000 and face value is the number itself, and we are supposed to find out its difference, right? So subtract this. How you will subtract this? So see, we cannot subtract 7 from 0. So firstly this 0 will take carry from 7. 7 will become 6 and this will become 10. Okay. Now this 0 will take carry from this 10. So this will become 9 and this will become 10. Clear? Now from this 10, this 0 will take carry. It will become 10 and it will become 9. Okay. Now we can easily subtract this. So 10 minus 7 is 3. This is 9, 9 and then 6. So our answer is 6, 9, 9, 3. Okay. So that's all for this video. In next class, I will come with my new topic. I hope this topic is helpful to you. Till then, stay connected with us. Thank you so much.